New Google Gemini AI agents are insane. You are wasting hours every single day, switching between tabs, re-uploading photos, writing long, boring prompts, losing track of your own chats. Meanwhile, Google just dropped 7 new Gemini updates that fix all of it, and most people have no idea these even exist. This is the 10th edition of Gemini Drops, and it's one of the biggest yet. Brand new Mac app. It's a way to organize all your chats. An image feature that uses your actual life, music creation that goes way longer, and one feature that turns boring text answers into interactive visuals you can play with. Stick with me, because the third update is the one I use every day, and the fifth one alone changed how I work on my computer. Let's get into it. The first update is notebooks in Gemini. If you've ever used Gemini for a real project, like studying for an exam, planning a trip, researching a new business idea, you know the pain. Your chats get scattered everywhere. You re-upload the same files over and over. Google fixed this. Notebooks are basically a personal knowledge base inside the Gemini app. Click New Notebook on the side panel. Drop in your files, your PDFs, your past chats. Give Gemini custom instructions for that specific project. From then on, every reply uses those sources. Here's the part that gets me excited. Notebooks sync directly with Notebook LM. Anything you add in one shows up in the other. So you can start a notebook with your class notes in Gemini, jump over to Notebook LM and turn those notes into a video overview or an infographic, then come back the next day and ask Gemini to draft an essay outline based on the same material. Right now, this is rolling out to Google AI Ultra, Pro, and Plus subscribers on the web first. Mobile and free users get it in the coming weeks. Second update. Personalizing images in Gemini just got way easier. Before this, if you wanted a really personal AI image, you had to write long detailed prompts, upload reference photos, explain who's in them, describe what you wanted. Exhausting. Now, Google connected something called personal intelligence with Nano Banana 2 and your Google Photos library. So you just type something simple like design my dream house or create a picture of my desert island essentials. Gemini already knows your preferences from the Google apps you've connected and fills in the details automatically. Even better, you can connect to your Google Photos. Gemini uses the people and pets you've already labeled in there. So you can say, create a claymation image of me and my family enjoying our favorite activity, and it just does it. Real photos of your real people. No uploading, no searching, no re-explaining. About privacy, because I know that's the first question. Google does not train its models on your private Google Photos library. Connecting your Google apps is opt-in, and you can turn it off in settings whenever. This is rolling out over the next few days to Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers in the US first. Third update, this one is huge. Personal intelligence is rolling out globally. Personal intelligence is what makes Gemini actually feel like your AI, not a generic chatbot that talks to everyone the same way. You connect your favorite Google apps like Calendar, Gmail, Drive, Photos, Maps, and Gemini gives you help based on your actual life, your schedule, your travel plans, your interests. This used to be mostly a US thing. Now it's going global to international Google AI Plan subscribers. There are some exceptions. It's not rolling out yet to the European Economic Area, Switzerland, the United Kingdom, South Korea, Australia, or Nigeria. But for most of the world, this is finally available. Here's why it matters. So the whole point of an AI tool is that it gets better the more it knows about you. Without personal intelligence, you're using a watered down version of Gemini. With it, you stop having to re-explain your context every single chat. Okay, fourth update. You can now create longer music tracks in the Gemini app. Last month, Google rolled out Lyria 3, which makes 30-second tracks. Anyone could use it. Now they're adding Lyria 3 Pro to the Gemini app. With Lyria 3 Pro, you can create songs up to 3 minutes long, and you get way more control over the structure. You can prompt for specific intros, verses, choruses, bridges. So you're not just getting a random clip, you're architecting an actual song. To be straight with you, the 30-second tracks with Lyria 3 are still available to everyone over 18. The longer 3-minute tracks with Lyria 3 Pro are for Google AI Plus, Pro, and Ultra subscribers. Plus gets 10 tracks a day. Pro gets 20. Ultra gets 50. To use it, go into the Gemini app, click the Tools menu, and select Create Music. You can prompt with text or upload a photo or video, and Gemini will turn that into a track matching the mood. This is great for podcast intros, vlog backgrounds, tutorial music. Every track is watermarked with Synth ID, Google's invisible AI watermark. Fifth update, the Gemini app is now on Mac. This is the one that genuinely changed my workflow. Before this, if you wanted Gemini on a Mac, you were either opening a browser tab or using the iPhone app. Now there's a native macOS app available globally at no cost. It works on macOS version 15 and up. Download it directly at gemini.google/Mac. Two things make this app actually useful. First, you can share your screen with Gemini. So if you're looking at a complex chart or document or piece of code, share that window and ask Gemini what's going on. It reads what you're looking at and answers instantly. No copying, no pasting, no screenshotting. Second, the keyboard shortcut, Option plus space. From anywhere on your Mac, Gemini pops up, you ask, you get your answer. You go right back to what you were doing, writing a report and need to verify a date. Option space, ask, keep writing, building a spreadsheet and forgot a formula. Option space, paste it in, done. This is how I use my computer now. The flow stays unbroken. You can also generate images with Nano Banana or videos with VO right from the desktop app. Sixth update, visualize complex concepts with Gemini. Before, if you asked Gemini to explain something complicated, you'd get a wall of text and maybe a static diagram. Now, Gemini can build interactive simulations and 3D models right inside your chat. Ask, show me how the moon orbits the Earth. Instead of a fixed picture, you get a working simulation. Drag sliders, change the initial velocity, change the gravity strength, watch what happens to the orbit in real time. Same with double pendulums, fractals, the double slit experiment in physics. Anything hard to grasp from words alone. This is rolling out globally to all Gemini app users right now. Go to gemini.google.com, select the Pro model in the prompt bar, and ask Gemini to show me or help me visualize the concept. For students, teachers, anyone learning a new technical skill, this is one of the best learning tools I've seen this year. Seventh, the paper cut fixes. Google calls little annoyances paper cuts. Things that aren't deal breakers, but pile up and slow you down. The April drop includes a bunch of these small fixes to make the whole experience smoother. Better chat organization, cleaner navigation, quality of life tweaks throughout. None are headline features on their own, but together they make using Gemini day to day feel a lot less clunky. Quick tips before I wrap up. First, install the Mac app and learn the option space shortcut. That alone will save you hours this week. Second, connect your Google apps so personal intelligence actually works. Otherwise, you're using a watered down version of Gemini. Third, set up at least one notebook for a project you're working on right now. Drop your files in. Give Gemini custom instructions. You'll see the difference immediately. Fourth, when you visualize concepts, remember to switch to the Pro model first. The feature only works there. Fifth, if you create music for content, start with the 30-second Lyria 3 tracks first to get a feel for it. Here's the truth. Gemini keeps shipping, and every drop adds tools that let you skip work you used to grind through manually. Notebooks save you the work of organizing chats. Personal intelligence saves you re-explaining context. Personalized images save you long prompts and reference uploads. The Mac app saves you switching tabs and breaking focus. Visualizations save you trying to understand walls of text. If you actually use these, you get hours back every week. If you're looking to dive deeper into AI tools and actually implement them in your work, I recommend AI Profit Boardroom. Over 2,000 people learning how to use AI effectively. Everyone shares real experiences. What's working, what's not, which tools are worth your time, which ones to skip. No hype, just solid information and practical guidance from people doing the work. It's helped me stay on top of updates and figure out how to actually apply them. Link in description if you want to check it out. And if you want the full process, SOPs, and 100 plus AI use cases like this one, join the AI Success Lab. Links in the comments and description. You'll get all the video notes from there, plus access to our community of 58,000 members who are crushing it with AI. That's the April 2026 Gemini drops. 7 new updates, all available now or rolling out this month. Try them, see what works for your workflow, and I'll catch you in the next one.